The first meeting of my fishies. That's the new one. That's the old one. There were two other, but they died. He's like, that's the camera. He's a shy one.
The hunter's gonna sneak out and get him. Watch. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here comes.
Stop kicking his ass! Sally is kicking ass. Dunkel is just like, what the fuck?
Go back and then zoom in. Back up.
Shut up. Don't tell me how to do it.
Just so you're not scaring them away. You'll come back here. See? Zoom in.
That's no fun. My zoom is a piece of crap.
You gotta give it a minute to do it.
Oh, look at him, he's like, oop. No. You bastard. I think he's the cutest bastard I've ever seen. Look at him. I love his fishy glory. Oh, my fish is like, oh shit, I'll fucking kill you. Oh, so you just ate poop. You dumbass. Sally is so pissed. Come on. Can you at least fight something?
Yeah, they're gonna come out the other side. Over this side.
No, 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 no. I should have named him Batman.
She's going to get him. Watch.
Oh shit.
Get ready.
Oh, Mom, shut up. Oh, you bastard. I'll get you.
Now.
Move. Move. I'm going back in my hole. When these fish meet each other, they just totally hate the fuck out of each other. Like this. Bitch. Don't you go past my fucking house. This is my little vase thing. You don't go past my fucking house. He's like, oh really? Really? I'll do it again, bitch. Do it again. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I'm going back in my house because I'm fat. Let's do it again. Do it again, bitch. I dare you. I dare you to do it again. Wrong way, dumbass. Bitch. I don't know why Sally has a man voice. Dunkel is just like, I'm so little and small. Oh. Oh yes. The war is on. Sally is so pissed. She is the most pissed off fish I have ever seen. Oh, and we have two sucker fish. That's Jorge, and that's Jorge 2. Oh, here we go again. Do it, bitch. Do it, bitch. Oh, shit. No, you won't. Oh, you bitch. Ow. It's like a bitch fight between fish. Leave Dunkel alone, you bitch. Well, that's it for Fishy Wars. Au revoir. Or Auf Wiedersehen.